Hello to all. Next video lecture we see it is a transistor configuration. First we see the types of transistor. What is a transistor mean? The transistor which is used for current and voltage amplification process. The types of transistor are UJT and BJT. The UJT means unijunction transistor and BJT means bipolar junction transistor. The introduction of BJT in bipolar junction transistor is a type of transistor that relies on the contact of two types of semiconductor for its operation. The name bipolar is adopted from its structure whereby it has a two junction and consists of three doped region. BJT can be used as an amplifier, switches or in oscillators. BJT consists of a three terminal collector, base and emitter. The two types of BJT, that is NPN transistor and PNP transistor. The BJT type is 2, NPN and PNP. There are three terminal consist of a BJT. First terminal is collector, second is base and second is emitter, third is emitter. We see transistor construction in three-layer semiconductor device consisting 2N and 1 p-type layers of material, that is called as a 2 NPN transistor, means 2N and 1 p-type NPN transistor. After that 2p and 1 n-type layers of material, PNP transistor. The term bipolar reflects the fact that holes and electrons participate in the injection process into the oppositely polarity material. A single PN junction has two different types of bias. First is forward bias and second is reverse bias. Thus a 2 PN junction device has a 4 types of bias. There are a different configuration used in a transistor. Firstly, we see the common base configuration. The common base terminology is derived from the fact that the base is common to both input and output of the configuration. Base is usually the terminal closest to or at ground potential. All current directions will refer to a conventional hole flow and the arrows in all electronic symbols have a direction defined by this convention. Note that the applied biasing voltage sources are such as to establish a current in the direction indicated for each branch. As shown in figure is the common base configuration. In common base configuration, firstly we see both PNP and NPN transistor. Firstly we see the PNP transistor. In PNP transistor, the base is common in both input and output voltage. In PNP transistor, the input voltage is emitter voltage, output voltage is collector voltage, V is a input voltage, VCC is a collector voltage. So V input voltage applied to the emitter terminal and VCC is the collector voltage applied to the collector terminal. We see in diagram the collector base emitter base is a common in both input and output voltage. Same as in NPN transistor. In NPN type transistor, the base current base terminal is common. The input current is IE and the output current is IC. So that input current has the input voltage, that is emitter voltage, which is a forward bias in NPN type transistor. So the base terminal having a positive voltage and the emitter terminal having a negative voltage. In output voltage, VBC is the output voltage. In VBC, base terminal is a common same, but in base it is acts as a reverse bias. So at a base terminal, the negative voltage is applied. In the collector terminal, the positive voltage is applied, which is as shown in figure. Figure shows the base is common. The main configuration is CB configuration is the base is common in input and output voltage. Collector, base, emitter. Base is the main important terminal in CB configuration. We see it by using a characteristics of common base. The in character configuration common base, the phase angle is 0, input terminal is emitter, output terminal is collector, voltage gain is high. In common base configuration, the current gain is low, the ratio of collector current and emitter current is low, the power gain is low, and the input impedance is low, output impedance is high. These are the characteristics of common base configuration. Figure shows the input and output characteristics of common base configuration. Input characteristics of CB. Firstly, in common base configuration, the input voltage is base to emitter voltage. Input current is I, emitter current. The input characteristics means it is a graph of input voltage versus input current, VBE versus input current IE, and at a constant output voltage VCB. This is as shown in figure is the input characteristics of a common base configuration. In output characteristics of common base configuration means characteristics means it is a graph of output voltage versus output current. The output voltage is VCB and the output current is IC. So at a constant input current IE, emitter current, so the output voltage VCB is a constant and the output current is IC is vary on y-axis. On x-axis the voltage is VCB and the constant current, that is IE, emitter current, input current, which is in constant in CB configuration. So the output characteristics of CB configuration is as shown in figure. Both the characteristics, input and output characteristics, which is dependent on the circuit diagram of CB configuration. In active region, there are three regions: active region, saturation region, cutoff region. In active region, IE increase, emitter current increase, and IC also increase. In saturation region, BE junction and CB junction is forward bias. In cutoff region, IE is 0 ampere. In active region, BE junction is forward bias and CB junction is reverse bias. And in saturation region, small changes in VCB will causing a big difference to IC. In cutoff region, B and CB is reverse bias. In active region, IC not depends on VCB, the suitable region for the transistor working as an amplifier in active region. In saturation region, the location for this region is to the left of VCB, that is 0 volt. And in cutoff region, no current flow at collector, only a leakage current. These are the three regions which is used in a system, configuration: active region, saturation region, and cutoff region. The alpha, how to calculate the alpha? Alpha, it is denoted by alpha. In the DC mode, the level of IC and IT due to the majority carriers are related by the quantity called alpha. Alpha is equal to IC upon IE, where IC is the collector current and IE is the emitter current. So alpha is equal to delta IC upon delta IE, where the collector current changes. Alpha is the ratio of collector current to the change of emitter current. Alpha is the common base current gain factor that shows the efficiency by calculating the current percent from current flow from emitter to collector. The value of alpha is typically from 0.9 to 0.998. Biasing. The main point of biasing is proper biasing of CB configuration in active region by approximation. The biasing is in NPN transistor and PNP transistor is as shown in figure: forward bias and in reverse bias. In forward bias, the base terminal is at positive voltage and emitter terminal at negative voltage, and which is in reverse bias, the base terminal is voltage is applied to a negative voltage and at a emitter as a positive voltage. So further next configuration we see in next lecture. Thank you.